Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Eggs, X. Hus plus band, husband. Ex-husband. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, folks. Welcome to Classic Concentration. As you can see, each of our contestants has an X out here. That means that they are vulnerable. The player who loses this game leaves us. The player who wins goes into the winner's circle to try for a brand new car. Let's meet the competitors. On my right, the man who has won $7,495 in prizes. His name is Mark Vogel.
Yes, thank you, Alex.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Wearing your lucky red.
Lucky red, that's right.
Let's see how lucky it is today against this lady who has won $2,900. Her name is Evelyn Reason. Welcome, Evelyn. And good luck to you. Ready?
I'm ready.
Take a look. This is a great prize.
Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features including 8-to-1 power zoom and low light sensitivity, furnished by Samsung Electronics. Alex.
Beautiful camera. The video camera is at number 18. We also have a holiday in Bermuda in this one. All right, let's go to work. Who's going to make the first selection today? Evelyn?
All right. Let's open up the board with number 9, Alex.
Diamond watch collection.
Go with my pendant from yesterday. How about a match or a wild card under number 17?
Private beach in Bermuda. No match.
Private beach. I'm going to find the private beach. Let's look under lucky number 14, please.
Lucky 1-4. Red take.
How about the corner number 1?
Diamond watch collection. No match for you, Evelyn.
Let's see. How about number 9?
For the watches,
And the match under number 1.
number 1 makes it a match. He is indeed. He's a sweet man. Open these 2 doors, please. Select again, please, Evelyn.
Let's see what's under number 15.
Green take.
And the match under number 4.
Wallpaper gift certificate. No match.
All right, let's go back to the other corner, number 21.
Private beach in Bermuda.
Ooh, and diagonally number 17.
Private beach in Bermuda. Great vacation, perhaps awaiting Mark Vogel. Let's open the 2 doors. Go again, Mark.
Okay, how about number 6?
Wild card. Good news for you on this one.
Yeah. Let's see, how about lucky number 7?
Lucky 7 right next door, a vacuum cleaner. Well, not one of our more spectacular prizes, but a good one for the home nevertheless.
Right.
We'll show you the other vacuum cleaner. It is at number 20. Let us open 3 panels for Mark Vogel. Pick again.
Number 10.
Steaks for a year.
Steaks for a year, okay, well, there goes the vegetarian diet. How about right below number 15?
No, green take. Evelyn.
Oh. Let's try number 12
Wallpaper gift certificate.
and number 4.
Wallpaper gift certificate. Well done. 2 more panels. Select.
Let's see what's under number 2
Gold pen and pencil set.
and number 19.
No, popcorn popper.
Popper.
PP. Mark.
Let's take a look under number 16, please.
Video camera.
And was that video camera so long ago, number 13?
Is that where it was? No, that's the gold pen and pencil set. Evelyn.
Number 24.
Silver coffee and tea set.
Huh. How about a match under number 3?
Silver coffee and tea set.
Okay, look at that.
Boy, oh boy, that's the way to stay alive. A natural match. Late in the round. Open the panels for her. Select again.
Number 25.
Red tape.
And number 14 for the match.
Yes. Am I going to hold it? Are you going to use it?
What should I do?
Evelyn wants the vacuum cleaner.
I'll take that Bermuda holiday.
The Bermuda holiday, right away. Coming up. Open these panels for Evelyn. Pick again.
Number 23.
Wild card.
And number 18.
18, the video camera. The other video camera, we saw it a moment ago at 16. It's still there, and 3 doors opening up for Evelyn. Still 1 wild card in play, Evelyn.
All right, let's see what's under number 10.
Stakes for a year.
What have we not seen? Let's try number 11.
Wild card.
Okay, I'm a meat eater.
So, she's a meat eater, she says, and if she weren't one, she would become one.
Yes.
The other stakes, we saw them a little while ago. 22, 3 doors opening up now for Evelyn at a crucial point in this game. Pick again.
All right, let's see what's under number 19
Popcorn popper.
and number 5.
Popcorn popper. Boy, she's pulling them out of thin air, isn't she, Mark?
Yes.
Open them. Select again. One more match, and you clear the entire puzzle.
Number 2
Gold pen and pencil set.
and number 8.
Ooh, big break for this man, Mark Vogel.
Number 13.
Gold pen and
And
pencil.
number 2.
That's a match. Open the doors. Show him 8 and 15. That gives you the green take, and I have a feeling I know what you're going to want.
Maybe
Maybe I
it's
don't.
a toss-up with 2 things.
Video camera or Bermuda?
I think I'm going to take the video camera.
Yeah? Video camera coming to Mark's column, and he gets a chance to take the game right now.
Is it Catalina Island?
Catalina Island is right, and a big win for Mark Vogel. Evelyn, it looked for a while as if you owned that board. Sorry it didn't work out.
That's all right. I had a wonderful time. Good luck, Mark.
You explain it.
Yes, we had the cattle, which of course in my mind was cows for the first half of the puzzle. Cattle, we've got the Leaning Tower of Pisa plus the Catalina, the Isle of the Theater, plus the hand, Catalina Island.
Catalina Island. Well done. I thought that first symbol would confuse you guys. You'd think of cows or herd or whatever. Evelyn, bad news, unfortunately. 2 strikes against you, but you've got $2,900 in prizes, so
And I had
congratulations.
a wonderful time.
Thank you for being with us.
Wonderful time. Thank
Take care. Well, you got the video camera, and more important than that, you're going back into the winner's circle to play for a brand new car. Right after this. This is Mark's 2nd time in the winner's circle, and yet he has won close to $8,000 in prizes, so he is doing very, very well on Classic Concentration. Let's see how he does now with these 15 numbered squares, and the clock set at 40 seconds. Good luck, Mark. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
2, 5.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
4, 9.
Right?
10, 12,
No.
3, 15,
No.
1, 12,
No.
13, 14,
No.
3, 14,
No.
2, 5,
No.
8, 13,
Yep.
7, 15,
No.
10, 2.
Got a little confused there for a while. But that's all right. You've got another game to play.
right.
You want to win some more prizes, I know. $87.99 is what you have to this point. We'll come back with another game and a new player after this. New player to introduce, a challenger for Mark Vogel. Her name is Jill Marks. Hello, Jill.
Hi.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Newport Beach, actually. Grew up in Huntington Beach, and now I'm attending school at UCI, where I'm a French major, but my love is theater. So.
French major, but your love is theater,
Yes.
which means that when you graduate, what are you going to steer your career towards?
Traveling worldwide.
Really? For a while, and then
For a while.
what?
No, I want to get involved somewhere or another in the industry. So we'll see
Want
what
to be an
happens
actress
with it.
in
I wanna
movies
be
or
an
television?
actress.
Both. Anything.
On stage, but probably in the movies.
Okay. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Take a look over here. You've got to stay in shape, you know, physically, no matter what you're going to do, and Marjorie knows how.
To help keep you fit and trim, this Concord 300DX provides a home gym system with heavy-duty rollers and 220-pound weights, furnished by California Gym Equipment Company. Alex.
220 pounds of weights, and Marjorie is using 10 of them right there, folks. Let's show Jill and Mark where we can find the exercise equipment. Dead center at number 13. Just the one wild card in this game, Jill. You're going to select first, but let me tell you about some of the great prizes. The 5 bonus seconds, of course.
Right.
The cash pot, $500, and a holiday in Puerto Vallarta.
Great.
So you go first.
Okay, I'm going to start at the lower corner at number 25, please.
25 is a red take.
Take would be nice. And let's look for the match under number 7.
Hot air balloon ride. No match there. Mark?
I think we should look for Puerto Vallarta. Let's try lucky number 14.
Bedroom set.
Set. And the corner number 5.
Gold bracelet. No match. Jill?
Okay, let's go to number 3, please, Alex.
5 bonus seconds.
And directly underneath it at number 23.
Nope. Telephone and answering machine unit. Mark?
Those seconds would come in handy. Number 11.
Green take.
Take. And directly above number 6.
You like to do those 2 boxes right next to each other, or
I like
one
when they
above
match
the
better.
other?
Okay, I'd like to have that gold bracelet. That'd be a great starter. Number 5.
Great,
And the match at number 6, please.
great starter for what?
For winning.
Oh, for winning. Great start on your winning ways. All right, open it up, please.
Is it happy birthday?
Is it happy birthday? No. Is it your birthday?
No, my birthday was in the beginning of May.
All right.
Okay, well, I need that Puerto Vallarta trip. Let's look under number 18.
Telephone and answering machine
And we
unit.
saw that at number 23.
We did indeed.
Mark.
All right, Jill, take a look now as we open these 2 doors. Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 10, please.
Bedroom set.
And did we see that under number 24?
No, that's a leather attache. Mark.
Number 14.
Bedroom
And
set.
the match under number 10.
Yep. There's a combination that works for you.
Okay.
And it gets you a look at the puzzle with 2 more doors opening up. Select again.
Let's look under number 4.
Exercise equipment.
And the match in the center, I think, number 13.
Yep. Exercise equipment was there in the center. Study the puzzle again, Mark. 2 doors opening up. Pick again.
Number 2, please.
Electric guitar with case.
Learn a new instrument. Let's try number 1.
Green take. No match. Jill.
I think we saw that green take at number 25.
Oh, right idea, wrong color.
Okay, let's look under number 12, see if we can get a natural match.
Nope. Cash pot.
pot.
$500.
Have we
Mark.
seen number 21?
Cash pot.
Ooh, and the match for number 12, please.
Yes. 21 and 12. Reverse the digit.
Like that.
Open it up. Again.
Number 24.
Leather attache.
And I don't think we've seen number 15.
Wild card. There it is. Only 1 in the game.
Okay.
The other leather attache at number 19. You're going to get a little bit more of a look at the lower right-hand part of the puzzle. Is it enough, though?
The coast is clear.
He says the coast is clear. And for Mark Vogel, the coast most certainly is clear. Everyone tells you the same thing. Get the car. They want to get rid of you. Let's go to the board. They don't want to play against you. You're too good.
Thank you. Well, we've got the And we have Alex right here, K plus host, which is the coast. The snake is hissing, which is, and the K plus L in the dog's ear, clear. The coast is clear.
Now, wait a minute, Mark. Wait just a minute. How do you get Alex out of this? I mean, there's no mustache. The hair is, I mean, check it out. The hair is much darker than mine.
He's very young, though.
He's a very young game show host. Yes, indeed. Well, Jill, just one strike against you, and that means you're going to play again. But unfortunately, not today. So we will see you on our next program.
Great,
I'll take you off stage
you.
right now. Mark?
Yes.
Come on, let's hear about the prizes. You won some more. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $500, a leather attaché, and a bedroom set. Lehigh Bedroom Furniture adds warmth and charm to your bedroom. This all-wood bedroom furniture is beautifully styled, solidly built, and rich with detail. Furnished by Lehigh. And, of course, the sporty exercise equipment. A prize package totaling $2,999.
Mark's having trouble believing that he's won over $11,000 in prizes up to this point. Whose idea was it to try out for this program?
It was mine and my wife's. My wife said, yeah, you're pretty good at that game. Go give it a shot. Win me a car.
But did you feel a little shy about trying out? You said, well, no.
No, I just wanted to meet you. That's all.
Do you have ambitions in this business? Do you
No,
want to be a game
no,
show host?
no,
You're trying to take my job?
It's much too difficult.
Oh, thank you for saying that. Thank you for saying that. We're going to take a break. When we come back, Mark's going to try to win a car again. I have just received the all-important words, plug and pan. It's a television term. What it means is that first, before we do anything else, we must go to Marjorie.
Thank you, Alex. If you would like to try out for Classic Concentration and you live in the Los Angeles area, or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. Back to Alex.
That's the plug part of this deal. Now the pan, as we show Mark the cars that he has a chance to win. On the bottom, the Hyundai Excel. Next, we have the Subaru Justy, followed by the Honda Civic, the Mitsubishi Mirage. Marjorie is having trouble staying on the Mazda Protege, but she'll work it out, believe me. Next, we go to the Geo Metro, followed by the Plymouth Sundance, and finally, at the top, we have the Pontiac Le Mans. Those are the cars that this young man has a chance to win in the next 45 seconds. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Mark, and now the clock with 3/4 of a minute. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
4, 15.
No.
6, 13.
No.
3, 2,
No.
1. 13.
Yep.
8, 7.
No.
9, 11,
Yep.
4, 14,
Yep.
5, 7,
No.
10, 5,
No.
3, 8.
Yep.
Closer.
Got a little closer.
Closer.
Still left 3 unmatched cars up there, but that's all right. You've got $11,798 in prize winnings to show for your performance so far, winning a couple of games, a holiday in the Caribbean, great cruise, beautiful camera, video camera to take pictures of that with. And we're going to take a break right now after we hear about another prize from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts. Taste you can sink your teeth into creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus a Klondike bear furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Every time we do a show, Marjorie gets to enjoy our prizes. She gets to lounge on some beautiful furniture. She gets to munch on the Klondike bars. I'm going to do that now, and you tell the folks why they should buy the Concentration home game if they're interested in becoming a contestant on this show.
Well, you should buy it because the more you practice, the better you can become. And the better you are, the better chances you have of winning and getting on the show and winning a car. So practice and be perfect and win a car.
You were good, and so is this. We'll see you all next
I
time.
like
So long.
that.
Get away from my Klondike bar.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.